All right, since there's a spooky month of Smashtober coming, it's only Smashtember, but we're going to do a review of this mysterious flavor, the 2021 Mountain Dew Voodoo. Yes. It's got the number 3 on the spider's abdomen and on the spider web. I won't be reading the nutrition information or anything like that. There's the ingredient list if you need that for your future reference. I don't know what it is. I think what's going on is it's 3 flavors of Mountain Dew mixed together. Probably represented in these colors here, but who knows what flavors they are. It's a mystery. Let's pour some and hope that I'm able to survive this mojo. So it's got a pretty, let me turn off the plant light for a moment. It's got just a plain whitish color. So, yeah, it's a mystery. Let's see what happens. Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Actually, it's pretty mild. I don't know. I don't really know what the flavors are. Let me try again. Let's try this. I don't know. I think it tastes like kind of a coconutty flavor or something like that. Something tropical. Coconut or pineapple or something like that. And they do have, Mountain Dew has recently released something with like pineapple flavors in it. I forget what it's called, but anyway, I think the mystery is that it is a mixture of 3 flavors. I have no idea what they might be. And that's my review of Mountain Dew Voodoo. What do you do when you consume voodoo? Hopefully not this. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, my duodenum! My duodenum! I need a new spleen! I need a new spleen! Oh my God! Anyway, it's okay. Perhaps try it out.